Welcome to Can I Fish? In this recording, we're going to walk through the necessary steps to set up and configure the Office 365 Report Phish add-on. And the first step is opening up the support article. So we can either go to the welcome checklist, scroll down and click on this Office 365 and Outlook Report Phish add-on link, or we can go to our user profile up the top here, click on Manage Platform, click on Employee Phish Reporting, and then click on this support article link to open up the relevant guidance. But what we're also going to do here is click this toggle icon to enable employee Phish reporting within your Can I Fish tenant. So I'm going to open up the support article here. Now, in this video, we're predominantly just going to be following the support article step by step. So the first step is downloading the employee Phish reporting manifest file. So we're going to click on this link. We're going to click Save As, right click Save As. We're going to save that file to a local directory of ours. We're then going to open up our Office 365 administrative portal. So this can be navigated to by simply typing portal.office.com. And once we have that loaded up, we're going to click on this settings drop down here. We're going to click on integrated apps, and then we're going to click on upload custom apps, right? Once we click on that, we're going to click on Upload Manifest File. And this is where we're simply going to upload this file that we've just downloaded. So I'm going to choose that. It's going to upload and validate. I'm then going to click Next. I'm going to say, no, this is not a test deployment. If you do want to do a test deployment, you would then toggle this onto yes. In this case, I'm going to deploy it to my entire organization. You can either also then optionally choose to deploy it to yourself or to users in a specific group, but I'm just going to click Next here. I'm going to click Next again, and then I'm going to click Finish Deployment. And once this is deployed, that's essentially it. You may have to wait 24 to 48 hours for it to be updated within your customer tenants and it to populate within users' Outlook folders. But once it is populated, what you'll notice is there'll be a little report Phish icon up the top right-hand corner here. And users, they can click on this within any email that they have open, and they can just report that phishing email, right? And when an email is successfully reported, those users also get notification. They'll shortly receive an email after saying whether or not they just reported a legitimate phishing email or if it was a simulated phishing email as well. They'll receive an email similar to what I've received just here. But for the purpose of deploying the Can I Fish Report Phish add-on, that's it. You've done it. Thanks for watching.